Check 1, 2. It's Monday, November 7th, 2022, and I am not sure if I'm even going to trade today. I do have the platform open, but going to see how I feel and how things are lining up here on the open. We've got, why is this doing this? There we go. We've got I haven't traded in the last couple of days. Took some time off to recover from burnout. And we've got this market chopping around this area after having a rough time after the Fed decision last week. ES dropped this channel it's been channeling up and now chopping around here. And my game plan here is to just watch and see if anything looks like it is moving with some kind of conviction and stick to my A+ trades if that even happens. So gonna set a 95 something high a day on Meta. Tesla continuing lower. Might take a shot at this 150 against 250. Got it there, long Tesla at 55 cents, 155. There's two spots, this one and then also this one. Be looking at really small size. It's gonna go test the other side of 1, it looks like. AMD and Amazon on lows, Nvidia on lows. Market turning over, starting to get on lows here. Go back over to Tesla, look at that footprint. It's above 102 or 201 now. I want to add some if I can. If I can. Gonna try to add some down here. Like right there. Almost at 203s here. There's 203s. If we get up to 204 fairly quickly, I'm just gonna take it. Couldn't quite get up there to 204. I'm gonna set at 204.50. Even higher. And let's see. Just trying to get in more at 201 here. Let's see if we come back down there. We can load up more. Here's 202s. Close to getting my ad down in the 180s. Very close. There's NVIDIA on lows. NVIDIA new lows. Did not get my ad. It got down to 202 even. There's the 90s. I'm down in the 80s. '90s, '80s. I did not get a fill. I was down at 83 cents. Down at 83 cents, I did not get a fill. What did it trade down to? It traded down to 83 cents exactly. I did not get a fill down there. Got it right there. Now my average is 69 cents. 0169s. And we are failing there. I'm looking for this to come back up and head back up above 205. Market's weighing down though. Down into the 130s. Can we get back above 02s? Looking for us to get back above 02s and start heading back up here. Reclaim that 203 at least. Market trying to hold on here. And Microsoft is on highs. And Microsoft on highs. Interesting. What's going on with Microsoft? Microsoft on highs. Let me reset the high day there. 224.40s. It's starting to peak out above this area here. This Tesla looks like it's going to dump that low of 201 before it can move higher, if it does move higher. Not breaking down. When Tesla wants to break down, she breaks down. Like she doesn't hesitate. She just breaks hard. So maybe we can see a break the other way. If we can get up above 2s and then go look at 3s and then head up to the 450s, and the other one is above 560s. Let's see if we can get up and reclaim that 203. Amazon on lows. Interesting. Amazon coming in further. And there goes Tesla in again, under 202s. So this one's going to be a bit of a battle. Microsoft coming in. Market's starting to come in. I'd love to see what this Tesla looks like above 203. If it can get there and get some momentum, that would be interesting to see what it looks like. I think it could definitely hit that mid 204s and even run for 205s. So, gotta see. Here's mid 202s, reclaiming that. Can we go reclaim those 203s at all? $10 a.m. Gonna have to head out to work here soon. I think at this point I'm gonna move my stop down here to the low a day rather than taking it all the way down. It shouldn't be going down past that at this point. So gonna move my stop up to low a day, 201. Here's the doorstep of 203s. Wonder if we can get up above 203. Netflix still on lows. There's Microsoft back on highs. Interesting. Microsoft back on highs. Market is turning up. What does Microsoft have going on here? Interesting in Microsoft. Tesla trying to reclaim that 203. Gonna reset Microsoft high day. And there we are above 203. Here's 203.20s. Let's see if we can run for 204s. There's Microsoft making new highs. 203.50s. Can we make a run to 204s? $203.50s on Tesla. 60s, back down to the 50s. I'd like to see if we can run up to that 204. Gonna take a partial right there on Tesla here in the mid 203s as it struggled to get up through this area. And then I am going to set my stop at break even now. So I know this will be locked in. I'd like to see what this looks like above here. It's got a little bit of selling here in the mid 203s. I'm gonna let this work as I log into work. Back down to the 202s. Coming back in. Here's the 203.40s again. Wonder if we can get up. Go attack those 204s. And now I'm wondering if we can run to those 205.60s. If we get up through here. A lot of selling in these 203.50s. I really wonder if we can get up to these 205.60s. Here's the 360s. Can we get up above 204? Here's the 204 door knocking. Got up to the 80s here. Yeah, I wonder if it can get up to those 205s now. Microsoft also on highs. Microsoft looks pretty good. Never got above 204s. Even Meta's on highs. Wow. Even Meta on highs. Look at that. Wow. Let's go back to Microsoft. And Tesla couldn't get above those 204s. Sellers on the offer here in the 50s. You can see them right there. Adder flashing size on EdgeX. Gonna let this thing bounce around. I'm really curious to see if it can hold it up here. And since the trade is working, I mean, I would like to try to hold on, even if it means giving it all back, because I think I might be able to run another 2 points, 2.5 points. So, um, yeah, that's the plan. But might get stopped out here as this comes all the way back in under. If it goes under 202, might get stopped out here. But ultimately looking for up here. I might just set this on mute and let the trade work out. I'm gonna go off to work here, so I'll just do that. Okay, looks like I just got stopped out of my last piece of the Tesla long. Market did pop up, Tesla did pop up, but was not able to actually reclaim those 204s. So this thing is failing this 203 level. And let me make sure I have my orders all canceled. Yeah. And so I wasn't able to get anything off up here or even in the mid 204s. I didn't even get a chance to do that. It looks like I may have gotten the bottom tick on this particular move here, but we'll see if it does come up there. I'm probably just going to be done for the day. I still am pretty tired, still sleep training my little ones, and getting woken up multiple times throughout the night. So not in tip-top shape, not trying to push trading right now. So markets will always be there when I get back and get some rest. But I like the idea here on this Tesla long. I thought I did a good job trying to hold on for this piece here, but maybe next time she will continue through. But I think that was the right thing to do. Tesla can sometimes really rip. It was close. It was close. So I'll probably end it with that today.